The pulmonary artery. This carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs from the right ventricle. The superior vena cava. A large vein that carries deoxygenated blood from the upper body into the right atrium. The aorta. The largest artery that receives oxygenated blood from the left ventricle and pumps it around the body under high force. The right ventricle. Receives deoxygenated blood from the right atrium, moves blood onto the pulmonary artery. The tricuspid valve. On the right side of the heart, stops the backflow of blood into the right atrium when the right ventricle contracts. The semilunar valve. This prevents backflow of blood into the heart as blood pumps from the right ventricle to the aorta. The bicuspid valve. This stops backflow of the blood from the left ventricle to the right atrium. The aortic valve. This stops backflow from the aorta into the left ventricle. The left ventricle. Receives blood from the left atrium and pumps blood through the semilunar valve into the aorta. The pulmonary vein. This carries blood to the left atrium of the heart from the lungs. This blood is oxygenated. The left atrium. The top left chamber of the heart contains oxygenated blood and receives this from pulmonary vein and pumps the blood into the left ventricle. The inferior vena cava. A large vein carrying deoxygenated blood from the lower body to the heart. The septum. Layers of cardiac muscle that separate the right and left side of the heart. It stops oxygen and deoxygenated blood from being mixed. The right atrium. The top chamber of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood from the vena cava down to the right ventricle.